Hey, what's going guys? It's Sparky Perry here again, and we're back with the fireworks stash for 2022. I know a lot of you guys have already posted the fireworks stashes, but I've decided to wait a bit longer this year to post the first part. So yeah, anyway, this is all from Galactic Fireworks, the sale weekend back in September. So I've had these for quite a while now. But yeah, like I says, I've decided to wait to go through them until now. So let's get started on this one, the Sky Raiders. So I've never had these ones before, and they look pretty decent. 264 grams. So yeah, them look pretty decent on the video with some quite unique effects, different to other rockets. So yeah, then should be good. I'm not going to bother talking about these because everyone knows these now. Warhawks, 300 grams. So yeah, got them again. And brand new well, they've been out for a bit now, but they're still quite new. The Big Bang Evolution rockets. The ball rockets there. Don't know if you can see properly. But yeah. And I've watched a video of these as well, and these are really good as well. 420 grams. So there's more powder in these rockets than any of them three. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to them because them are pretty unique. And yeah, we got these, and these are pretty popular by now as well, which is the King Reborn. Really big, as you can see, a massive stick on it. As you can see, huge stick. So yeah, we've got that one and a second one here, the King Reborn, and I think there's 180 grams, is it? Yeah, 180 grams in them. So these are, well, massive. So yeah, we got, so them are all the rockets. So we just got bits everywhere. Them are all the rockets we've got for now. Obviously we're going to pick up some more from like different places, like let's say Sollybush garden centres and stuff like that. So yeah, now if you come over here, we've got the fountains and barrages. Like I say, just a little stash I picked up from Galactic Sale Weekend. But yeah, it's just the start, and like I said, we're going to pick up some more. So starting with this here, the Surprise Baby Barrage 25 shot, and that's got, I think, what was he, 450 grams, and it's got quite a lot of decent effects in it. So we've got that one. There's some weight to that as well, so that looks pretty good on the video, and I can see as well with the weight. So yeah, we got that one, and this gorilla as well. This was pretty decent for the sale weekend. I think it was it £20? I think it was £20, but I'm not certain, I can't remember. So yeah, it is good though. 40 shots, Black Panther fireworks, and I think there's 480 grams in here, if I'm thinking right. Yeah, 480 gram. So yeah, pretty looking forward to them as well. And next we come to these large fountains here. Large gold lava fountain, and there's 180 grams in that as well, as you can see there. And we got two of them. And yeah, lastly for this part one, we got this, which is the small but pretty decent Pinky Blinder fountain. and there's 90 grams in there. But I saw the video, and even with the size it does look pretty good. So yeah, this is just part one of this 2022 bonfire season firework stash. Got them there, and the rockets. So yeah, so I'll keep a lookout for the other parts of the stashes. I don't know how many parts I'm gonna do, maybe 2 or maybe 3, we'll see. But yeah, look out for them, and I'll carry on posting the product videos as well. I don't know whether it's helping some of you guys choose what to have for bonfire night, but yeah, I'll keep posting some of the products from previous years, what I've had. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this part one, and I'll see you again soon.